how to animate text in PowerPoint. So the first step is to simply add some text to your presentation. So you're gonna have to simply click on text box and then simply choose where you want to add your text. Then the next step is to make sure that you select the text just like this, and then you're gonna have to simply go to animations. Now, as you can see, you have different options. So you can also click on this arrow to see all animations, as you can see. And you can basically take a look at all these animations that are available that you can basically use to add them to your text. Now, all you have to do is simply select the text and then simply select the animation, just like this, as you can see. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to the animation, and as you can see here, so select the animation, and then you're gonna have to simply click here on this option, and then you can simply choose when the animation will start. So you can select to start when you click on the presentation, or with the previous slide, or after the previous slide. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.